Greetings to you, my subscribers and viewers. I have only 3 things to ask you guys. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to channel, and activate the notification bell. I thank you in advance. So, about our activity, we recently set up a brand new organization, Georgia vs. World Arm Wrestling. And our first competition event will be held on October 18th in Tbilisi. There will be very exciting matches between Georgians and others from all over the world. That's the whole point of name Georgia vs. World Arm Wrestling, and there will be highly interesting matches. No doubt there will be a great entertainment with some show elements, and DJ overall a very exciting PPV show. I would request from you an active video sharing. Regardless of your ethnicity, all of you would do it gladly if only you knew how big of a help you are. This is how you would support us. Every organization needs this. I don't ask anything special. I would mean you taking steps towards making arm wrestling mainstreams. So my fellow Georgians and foreign supporters, the amount of spectators is crucial, so please do everything to come and witness the greatest arm wrestling show. I am very capable to deliver amusement of this caliber. So I wouldn't mind extra help from you guys, and again, thank you in advance. One more time, I would ask you to be active on our platforms by sharing and liking videos that we upload. Anything you do will help us. Regardless if you're watching PPV from a distance or spectating the show live, in both cases you will be delighted. I guarantee you that. Goodbye for now. See you soon.